Very good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Before analyzing the market, let us see the levels for tomorrow. These are the levels based on the India VIX. So, India VIX is 14.05, the calculated India VIX is, and calculated levels for tomorrow is daily level, daily high to be 25,155 and daily low to be 24,788. 24,788 and 25,155. These are the immediate boundaries you need to watch. And the weekly levels to be 25,459 and weekly low level to be 24,484. Now let us analyze what has happened in the market. I'll zoom it and see the price action. On Friday, the market rallied very strongly to the level of 25,130. After the consolidation, note down all these things. The price consolidated from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in a narrow channel like this, and it broke above the channel and it rallied up to this level, 25,136. Today, what happened in the market was gap down and came down to the level of 24,824, not violating the low of Friday. Friday's low was 24,783. So the price action was on Friday, it was parabolic up move, continuous up move. Now the price action today is contained within the high and low of the Friday's price action. That means it is inside bar formation. Inside day, you can call it as an inside day. Let me write it out. Inside day. That means price is compressed within the range of previous day. So what can happen is, usually from the option point of view, what happens in the market, only one day or sometimes 2 days rally you can see. After that, market goes sideways. The reason for this is, that is the premium adjustment of the call option and put option. You might have seen the call option and put option at some straddle. Last week, 24,800 straddle was the call and put option straddle. Even this week also, the same straddle is playing over here. So, to make the price, adjust the price, it moves sideways. So, what happened to the call option on the previous week? They became very cheap. When they become cheap, actually they were pumped to the highest level to sell at the higher price. These are call writers gimmicks. So the premium of 24,800 call option, which went up to 395 and odd, now today came down to 166, which was lower than the Friday's low. Sorry, yeah, Friday's low. Friday's low was 178. It came down to 166. That was the low made. That is theta decay. Theta decay, finally, it has closed around 253 or something, and it continues. This price action will continue. The market tend to remain in this sideways movement within the range of 25,155 to 24,788. It may continue to trade in a narrow range so that the premium will become, they will theta decay, and they finally at one point of time one either CE or PE will expire worthless. Since the straddle is at 24,800, so the maximum pain is at 24,800. Suppose if the straddle should, if it goes beyond that, the straddle will, the people who have written the call option or the put option, they will lose money. So watch out for the price action. It may continue for another day also. This consolidator, the range type of movement can continue another day also, because the levels, VIX levels on the lower side is 24,788 and VIX level on the upper side is 25,155. If you see the price action, if I put the channel to this price action, for today's price action, if I put like this, see, it can touch the level of 24,889. Let me take it out and put an Alt C over here, so that this is the level 24,894. Actually, the market, what it does is, it goes up like this, comes down, and again it may halt here and make a low, and it may take off. So if I extend the channel, it can touch by the end of the expiry on Thursday 25,155 if it holds this level. Sometimes it can pop down below this channel. Suppose if the price comes below 24,000, today's low 824 goes beyond this and seeks liquidity, even this type of pattern can also be seen in the market. So you should be ready for that. See, better not to trade in this type of contraction. Let the contraction wave be over. It will last for 1 or 2 days till the premium gets adjusted. You will get either trendy day on Friday, or it may be on Thursday itself, because Thursday is monthly expiry. All the contracts should be rolled over to next month contract. So that's why you can expect lot of volatility in the market, and even the VIX has increased its level from 13.8 or something from previous day to 14.05. VIX has increased. And the price action, you can see this is a rally and then consolidation in the range and the rally. Now price has come back to the same level and now it is going sideways. As an option buyer, if you are an option buyer, stay away from the market. It is better to stay away from the market till all the premiums gets adjusted and see for the price action, correct price action to enter into the market. So this week, probably the market may hold 24,788 and it may even rally up to 25,255. And if I see this ABC pattern, if I take the fib tool, this is A and it is B and the C is placed around 25,290. It has not completed, it has stopped halfway through, it has gone only for 0.786 level and market has turned down. So it is a little bit complicated price action presentation. So it is for adjustment of the premiums. So wait patiently for 1 or 2 days because the compression has started now on the Monday itself. Monday, tomorrow is also Tuesday. You can expect a range bound type of price action within the range of 24,788. And if you get an opportunity, a leg up like that in first hour, you can trade. Otherwise, don't trade in the market. So, market may continue by the end of this week or on Thursday to the level of 25,290 because it will complete the ABC pattern. So the price action is like that and the whole price action for the month starting from May, it is contained within a broader range of 24,483 to 25,235. The market has not done anything. It has come down to this same level thrice, four times. Second, 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. It has gone to this level. This is the peak formation. It has not gone to that level. Suppose if the market goes there and it will form a double top over there. We need to see how the price action after hitting that level 25,219, if the market continues, if it wants to continue upwards, break out of this range, then the market will see higher levels in the market next month, 25,500 or 25, even 26,000 you can see. Otherwise, if it rejects, then the question mark. So why should we bother about the future? At present, within 2 days, what is going to happen? Concentrate on that. The price action may be contained within 24,788 to 25,155 and the price action may be compressed. It is natural for the premiums to decay. It will be done like that. This is the process. If you start observing this price action and make a weekly template. I've already made a video on weekly template, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and all those things. So watch my video. Monday, it is a gap down. Even though it was a gap down, the direction of the movement was towards the upside. So it may go sideways, and the price action may be within this. Coming to the Bank Nifty, sorry, I'm not the Bank Nifty. Let me go to the Bank Nifty, type in there. Coming to the Bank Nifty, let me go to the intraday time frame and show you the price action. Price action is exactly mimicking the Nifty's price action. Even Bank Nifty is monthly expiry is also due. I've already see the price action, same thing, rally and then gap down. It is within this range. So first resistance you need to note down is 56,471 and first support is 55,647. And then second resistance 57,153 and second support is 54,965. The price action, it has completed. Bank Nifty completed its price action ABCD. You can see already it tested the 56,000, almost 56,392. It has tested 56,332. Now it has gapped down. Probably A, B, C, D pattern. D can be formed in the market. It may show some sort of down move in the market, or next 1 or 2 days it may stay within this range. Price action may be within the range of Friday's low. Even it is an inside day formation. Inside days are very dangerous. Actually, inside day price action, if you go for inside day trading, you need to be very careful. Sometimes you will be chopped out. Be careful and stay away from the market till proper direction is seen in the market. Better not to trade when there is congestion in the market. Let the price come out of the congestion. You will get a parabolic up move, single day up move. You will get it. So wait for that. If you wait for that, you will be rewarded. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.